programming used to feel creative. Now, for many developers, it feels like assembly line work. We were told coding was about building elegant systems and solving hard problems. But today, most developers spend their time wiring APIs together, fixing configuration errors, and fighting tools they didn't choose. Somewhere along the way, coding stopped feeling like creation and started feeling like maintenance. And the strange part is, nobody agrees on when this changed. There was a time when programming meant understanding the machine. You thought about memory, performance, trade-offs. You wrote logic that made something new exist. Modern development feels different. Most developers aren't building systems from scratch anymore. They're connecting systems that already exist. Data moves from one service to another. You reshape it slightly, then send it somewhere else. Again and again, you become the layer between tools. Frameworks handle complexity. Cloud platforms hide infrastructure. AI generates boilerplate instantly, so we write less logic, but manage more moving parts. The work didn't get easier. It just became harder to see where the real problem lives. And that's where things started to feel different. The tools today are incredible. They remove friction. They increase speed. They make impossible things accessible. But every abstraction has a cost. The more tools solve for you, the less you see underneath. When something breaks, the failure lives several layers below your code, so the job changes. You're not solving a clear problem anymore. You're debugging interactions between systems written by strangers, running on infrastructure you don't control. Developers didn't stop solving problems. The problems just became indirect. And once that happens, creativity starts to feel like maintenance. But the tools aren't actually the real reason this changed. The bigger change came from how software is built. Software stopped being a craft done in isolation. It became part of business momentum. There are deadlines, roadmaps, metrics. You don't always build the clean solution. You build the solution that ships. Every developer experiences this moment. You design something elegant. Then reality arrives. Can we simplify this? Can we ship sooner? Can we change direction? Over time, optimization replaces elegance. Not because developers stopped caring, because software became too valuable to move slowly. And that's when coding stopped feeling like art. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Coding didn't lose its magic. The industry matured. Most software isn't meant to be beautiful. It's meant to work. Payments need reliability. Logins need stability. Systems need uptime. The job shifted from invention to responsibility. Developers became mechanics for digital systems already in motion, keeping everything running while the world builds on top of it. And once you see it this way, the frustration starts to make sense. So no, most developers aren't artists anymore, and that's okay. The work still matters. Someone has to understand how things connect and how to stop them from breaking.